Nope, not yet. Uh-oh. There's the top of the tree they just fell out of. There's the side of it. Lots of fun out here at the farm. Hey Luke, do you want to go over the edge? Do you want to go over the edge? Come right over here by this tree. There's Luke by the top of the tree. Fall out of the tree, Luke.
What?
Fall out of the tree.
This isn't a tree, Daddy.
Yeah, it is. It's just got snow on top of it.
Lucy, stop.
Stop, let him go.
Ah! That's not a real tree, Daddy.
Yeah. Only time you're allowed to do it with